Understanding Layaway, a timeless retail solution. What is layaway? Layaway is a retail purchasing method that allows consumers to reserve an item by making a down payment. The retailer holds the item until the consumer pays the remaining balance in installments, after which the consumer can take possession of it. This method has been particularly beneficial for shoppers with limited disposable income, providing a responsible way to manage purchasing without falling into debt. Key takeaways. Layaway definition: a deposit is made on merchandise, which is then laid away until the consumer completes their payments. Target audience: layaway programs cater to shoppers with constrained budgets, enabling them to plan their purchases over time. Historical roots: established during the Great Depression, layaway saw a decline with the rise of credit cards in the 1980s. How layaway works. Layaway is designed for consumers who may struggle to afford larger upfront purchases. Typically, a fee may apply, as the retailer must store the item until all payments are completed. Benefits for consumers: it allows individuals with low or no credit to secure items without the risk of high-interest debt. Policy on defaults: should a customer fail to complete the transaction, the item returns to the shelf, and policies on refunding the customer may vary, from full refunds to store credits or fees subtracted from the purchase price. Online layaway. In the digital age, online layaway programs have emerged, allowing consumers to lock in purchases via scheduled bank deductions. This opens up access to more expensive items without overwhelming storage of physical inventory at retail locations. Layaway versus credit cards. Both layaway and credit cards enable consumers to purchase items they currently cannot afford, but there are clear distinctions. Immediate possession: with credit cards, the item can be taken home right away, while layaway requires full payment before pickup. Interest rates: layaway plans typically do not accrue interest, whereas credit cards can lead to significant debt if not managed carefully. Impact on credit score: defaulting on a layaway plan won't affect credit scores, while credit card mismanagement can substantially damage one's credit rating. For individuals who can pay off their credit card balances promptly, credit offerings can be advantageous, allowing them to enjoy rewards and build a credit history. Conversely, for those who struggle with credit or prefer to avoid interest payments, layaway provides an appealing alternative. Historical background of layaway. Layaway originated during the Great Depression as families sought means to purchase essentials without flourishing credit options. While it thrived for many decades, consumer preferences shifted with the introduction of credit cards in the 1980s. In response to the financial strains caused by the Great Recession in 2008, Walmart reinstated its layaway program briefly.